This video was developed to help the user find challenge-based learning units of instruction on the STEMucation Academy website. This website was created to house units of instruction that were created by teachers who were involved in the Cincinnati Engineering Enhanced Math and Science Program, or SEAMS, at the University of Cincinnati. The STEMucation Academy Unit Database is a central warehouse for hundreds of units of instruction. These units of instruction incorporate lessons that focus on a learn-by-doing methodology called challenge-based learning. The database includes middle and high school math and science units with just a few elementary units sprinkled in. These units are free to use for any teacher who chooses to do so. To use the STEMucation Academy database, navigate to the website at the web address noted here on this slide. Then enter a keyword such as those noted here in the search box. If you know the author's last name, you might enter that as well. Once you've typed in the keyword or keywords for the search, click the magnifier symbol to do your search. The resulting search may look something like this. To further investigate a unit, click the green text which will show you that unit page. There are multiple formats to the unit page. This format shows a description of the unit, a video which summarizes the unit, and includes a link to the unit plan and to the unit page. The unit plan link will provide a document that summarizes the unit, whereas the unit page will take you to a link that once again includes the summary and also a link to the unit files. This is what you will find by clicking on the unit plan or the unit page links as noted previously. If you click on the link to the unit files, you can access the files that were developed for the unit and are available for download. So once you get to this point, you'll see a list of files that were developed for this particular unit. You can download one file at a time by right-clicking on it and then left-clicking on download here at the bottom, or you can click on one file. It's a left click, hold the control key down, press the letter A, and that will select all the files, and then right-click on any one of these files. So I'm going to right-click and then click download, and it starts zipping these files together. So it's putting these files all together in one place. It's going to download those into the download folder. Once they're in the download folder, you'll be able to unzip those, and we'll see that here in just a second. So the download is ready. Now here is the files in this zip file. So in order to be able to use these, we need to extract them. So I'm going to click on Extract All, and we can put these anywhere we want on our hard drive by browsing, but I'm just going to click Extract. It'll extract those into my download folder. So it's extract those. Okay. Now to see what happened here, I'm going to go up here to Downloads. So I've got two files. I've got the original zip file, which I can get rid of now because I've got another file here. And if I double click on this guy here, now I've got all my folders. And you can put those anywhere you want on your hard drive. So it's pretty simple to get all these files. These are classroom ready files. So you may have to modify those for your own classroom, but good luck. Hopefully you find something that you can use in your classroom.